The 2018 NFL season starting tonight. And breaking news, the Browns will win the Super Bowl. Shut up.
100-to-1 odds.
Hey, defending Super Bowl champs Philadelphia Eagles are taking on the Atlanta Falcons. Who's going to win that? I'm picking the Falcons. But our next guest says defense wins championships and can win it for your portfolio, too. Jason Katz of UBS with the football theme here. All right, let's kick into high gear here. What are your star offensive players for the markets?
You know, Liz, it's unlikely to be the likely candidates of a quarterback, a running back, a receiver. It's going to be alignment, whether that's energy, like your colleague just referenced, or even financials with the deregulation, aggressive stock buybacks. I think those are the sectors that are likely to shine.
Okay, so you say financials and energy look good going forward, but we know that defense wins championships, as I just said, right?
Yeah.
So what would you say, that's a defensive sector?
Well, once we get past trade, which we do think we'll get into the end zone there, and there's more certainty around the economic cycle not ending, I think you'll see value plays, which have grossly underperformed growth, play some catch-up, and economically sensitive names like financials or energy, for that matter, should do really well.
Okay, so you could argue that the best defense is a very strong offense, right? Or the other way around when it comes to investing.
Right. So I think in this particular environment, coming off of such a tremendous year, the best defense is a good offense. And that would mean scaling back a little bit on equities here, shortening duration on fixed income, looking to asset classes like special teams. Alternative investments are sort of like special teams.
Like what? What's an alternative investment you think is poised to do well?
Private equity, hedge funds, structured solutions. Critical role like special teams, and at the same time should have a minor exposure, but could really enhance returns by reducing volatility.
Steelers Patriots, that's a big rivalry in the NFL. Listen, Browns Steelers has been a huge rivalry. What rivalries do you see when it comes to investing right now?
I mean, there's been this huge tug of war between negative sentiment around trade, around the emerging markets, around the midterm elections, versus what's been incredibly strong corporate fundamentals, earnings, as well as the economy firing on all cylinders.
Okay, sentiment versus fundamentals. Folks, for those of you who don't know the actual term of fundamentals, that's, how sales, revenues, those are real fundamentals, right? Cash flow coming in. Sentiment is squishier. We have good sentiment in the country right now, and we're coming off a great earnings season. Which one should take precedence here?
I think you're going to see at the end of the day earnings and fundamentals, like what's happening with 4% unemployment, a 4.7 some odd percent print on GDP, because stocks follow earnings and earnings follow the economy.
I don't know if you saw Alex Diamond of RS Metrics. This is a company that takes satellite and manned aircraft photo of parking lots of publicly traded companies and big hangars and distribution centers. And he talked about Tesla, but he also threw in this comment about retail. And he said, from what we could see about traffic and clogged parking lots, was that apparel will have looked really good on back to school day. Do you like apparel or perhaps any retail at all?
The consumer has become incredibly fickle, and a lot of it, as you know all too well, has gone online. So while we do like retail, it's the channel of retail that we're more mindful of. So, $1 trillion market cap on Amazon one day, in the not too distant future, may become two.
Okay. And finally, emerging market contagion. Neil Cavuto talked about this today. We talked about it on the Claman Countdown yesterday. You have to tell me, are you concerned at all that Brazil and its currency are collapsing? Argentina is having a really hard time. Turkey is a mess, too.
Right. So that's paramount, to use your football analogy, to say encroachment or going off sides. It's a minor infraction, but it's in place to protect the quarterback, which in this case is the global economy. So, yeah, strengthening dollar, rising rates are not good for emerging markets, but really only the emerging markets that have a lot of large account deficits in other currencies. So we don't think it's a contagion.
Well, let me just remind our viewers, tomorrow we are getting the August jobs report, right? So we'll be watching for that. Maria Bartiromo is going to have a big blowout starting at 8 a.m. Eastern time, so make sure to tune in. Could move the markets. And I am, again, for tonight, between the Eagles and the Falcons, I am picking the Browns.
Shocker.
Can I do that? My floor crew's about to murder me on this, but who's going to win the Super Bowl?
As much as I want to say the New York Football Giants, I have to think it's Philadelphia.
Eagles again?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see.